Hi, I'm Mairi Maclean of the School of Management at the University of Bath, and I'd like to say a few words about our Theory, Culture and Society paper, Elite Business Networks and the Field of Power, A Matter of Class, by Mairi Maclean, Charles Harvey and Gerhard Kling. The key question we ask in our paper is, how do some business leaders, a minority, become hyperagents, the type of actors who really make things happen, while others, the majority, remain ordinary members of the business elite? We became interested in the topic when conducting a cross-national comparative study of business elites and corporate governance in Britain and France. This aimed to look beneath the surface at the exercise of power in two distinct national business systems, exploring elite networks, recruitment and regeneration. Here we posit three hypotheses relating to elite education, corporate networking and social class. We test these statistically, applying multivariate methods to an extensive data set detailing the networks and social characteristics of the directors of top 100 French companies. Our paper turns the spotlight back on the issue of social class. France is ostensibly a meritocracy, but what we found in studying the backgrounds, education and networks of top company directors is that birthright and meritocracy function as two competing institutional logics which influence life chances. One of Pierre Bourdieu's most compelling insights is to show how elites use a highly stratified education system as a mode of reproduction that confers upon their offspring the dual legitimacy of the aristocratism of birth and the meritocratism of academic success. While the correlation between social class and education is well known in the social sciences, we show how this works practically to enhance the chances of reaching the very top. Our research challenges the notion that business elites have become more meritocratic, being more self-made. We add to earlier evidence that corporate wealth is not generally given to self-made people who have deferred gratifications and are endowed only with native talent. On the contrary, they have a high probability of having privileged education and origins within the upper or upper middle classes. Our contribution to Bourdieusian scholarship lies in our analysis of hyperagents, bridging actors who link different life worlds, those actors who really make things happen in the corporate world, which reveals the debts these dominants owe to elite schools and privileged classes. Our research develops Bourdieu's analysis of social class effects by specifying a second mode of elite reproduction, the capacity of elite actors to establish extra-corporate networks by securing appointments to prestigious non-profit boards emerges as directly related to the establishment of corporate networks. In other words, it's the ties that directors form outside business that strengthen their business networks and position in the corporate world. We show that in the case of France, hyperagency and inclusion within the power elite remain primarily a matter of class. We challenge researchers to reconsider class, which has been relatively neglected in recent times. Our findings run counter to current fashions in demonstrating that the hyperagentic elite is sustained in its hegemonic position not just by personal giftedness, but by the enduring advantages of the class from which its members predominantly originate. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy reading the paper.